Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an exciting episode because it is Amazon Prime Day sale. And I'm going to show you how, as a Singaporean, or if you are living outside the US, how you can also participate in the sale event, logging into Amazon US, buying an item and getting it shipped to your country. I will show you, as someone who lives in Singapore, how to bring those items from the US to Singapore with a shipment price that is affordable. You'll be like, are you sure that's the price? Yes, it is gonna be that cheap. You might have sometimes explored the possibility of getting those items from US Amazon to Singapore. I've discovered there's always two challenges. Number one, it's always about the shipping cost. Amazon does offer global shipment, but more often than not, you can find that the shipment cost is, or rather can be, quite overwhelming, can be expensive. The second challenge is always some items they do not ship directly to Singapore. Items such as the Fire TV, the Kindle Fire tablets, the Echo series, Echo Dot, Echo Hub, Echo Plus, these super impressive Amazon products, they do not ship directly to Singapore. I wonder why. What are your choices really? You can always use a freight forwarder. There are three that I know which is super popular in Singapore. VPost is one of them, but VPost, again, the price can be super expensive. Borderlink was popular at one time, but it's closed now. The third one, which I think it's the most affordable one, is to use EasyBuy as a freight forwarder. So what the heck is a freight forwarder? A freight forwarder is a service that helps you to forward the shipping or the items that you've purchased for yourself. EasyBuy is a good example of a freight forwarder. Small items under 2 kilograms, I've never gone over $15 in shipment cost. To me, that's fantastic. If you were to compare with VPost, you can go all the way to like $25 up to $30. That's just too high of a price to pay for shipment. So essentially what they do is to store your items that arrive in their warehouses, and then you pay them a cost for them to transfer or forward these items to wherever you are living. So before we deep dive and me sharing with you how to do it, you need to do two things. Number one, you need to create an account on easybuy.com.sg. Secondly, after you've done that, you need to create an Amazon.com US account, okay? Not Prime SG, not Canada, not anywhere else, but US Amazon.com. Alright, to create a new Amazon account, I have this affiliate link in the description box below. You can click on that and then you get a free trial of 1 month. So for the next 30 days, you'll get the entire benefits of being an Amazon.com member. Free shipping, 2-day shipping, Prime Video, Amazon Music, unlimited photo storage. All of those you can find in the description box below, okay? If you are prompted to input your card details, don't worry, because you won't get charged, because before the 30 days is up, you have a choice of renewing your membership or you can just cancel it. So pause this video for a while, go ahead and create those two accounts. Alright, welcome back. I assume you have already created those two accounts. Now, let me share with you how to do it. Okay, firstly, go over to your EasyBuy account. You click on your account name, then select my account, and then there is a ship for me on the left tab of the menu. Click on ship forwarding, click on the USA tab, then you can see the location of EasyBuy's warehouse in the US. Take note of the details from name all the way to phone number, because you need to copy this over to your Amazon account address. So go over to Amazon, select your account, go to your addresses, click on Add Address. Okay, all of this, just copy everything over to your Amazon address. Now we are ready to purchase. Shopping time! For this example, I'm going to buy an Echo Dot, which is $24.99. Alright, choose your color, select Buy Now. So make sure your shipping address is the same one as the one that you've copied from EasyBuy. Alright, just review your purchase. When you look over to the right at the order summary, you can see that you can click on SGD to see how much that you have to pay in Singapore dollars. And then go ahead and place your order. Alright, you've done your purchasing. So when Amazon already shipped your item over, you will get a notification on your email. Click on the notification You can see the details of your order. So now you have to select track package. You need to take note of two things. Number one is the courier. Number two is the shipment tracking ID. When you go over to Easy Buy next, you need to go to your account and then go to Ship for Me. You need to select Submit New Order and then select USA on that tab. At this point of time, you need to copy paste the product URL. Just go over to Amazon. Just copy paste the product URL on the search bar on top and then click that up button. You will see something that pops out on the right. Next is to input the courier details. For this is Amazon, so I'm just going to put others and then Amazon, and then I'm going to input the tracking ID. Just copy paste the entire thing over so you don't have to think a lot more. Everything else remains the same. Next, click the submit button. So depending on the duration of your Amazon shipment, if you are Prime member like what you just did just now, you'll only get 1 day shipment. After 1 day, you'll get a notification from Easy Buy that the items has been received. Now go over to Easy Buy webpage, click My Account, and then click Submit to Ship. Click on Submit on the right, and then you need to input the declared value. How do you find this? The declared value is actually the cost of the item that you purchase on Amazon. How you can find this is in your inbox. After you've purchased, Amazon will send you like a receipt, in the form of an email. Check that email, you will find that the cost of the items is stated there. Once you found the amount, just input it over there. For me, it's $35.83. I just click Arrange Delivery. At this delivery information page, there are two things that you can do. One is you can self-collect. Number two, you can have it home delivered. If you were to choose home delivery, then it will cost a little bit more. If you don't want to incur any more costs, just select self-collection. Also, there's a list of venues that you can do your self-collection. For me, I've decided to collect it at Adobe MRT station because it's the most convenient for me, as my office area is very near to the collection place. So really, it's up to your convenience. Once you have selected where you want it to be collected, you go ahead and you can click Pay Now. Okay, now there's three things that you can do for your transaction. Again, for convenience sake, I'll choose credit card or debit card, and then enter your card details at the bottom. You will be transferred to your normal iBanking, your verification, your one-time password. Once you have done that, your order has been submitted and it's a successful order. Awesome! So shortly after you've made a payment, Easy Buy will then send you a notification telling you when the product will arrive in Singapore. Just take note of the date because from my experience, 1 day or 2 days before the actual date of arrival, Easy Buy will send you another notification telling you that your item has arrived. Yay! Now all you need to do is go and collect your item. At the collection point, the person in charge over there will ask you for your username. Just tell them, and then your collection is done. Alright, that's it. Now you are ready to go shopping on Amazon.com. Let me remind you, on the 15th and 16th of July, which is today and tomorrow, but US would be tomorrow and the next day, it is Amazon Prime Day sale. The biggest sale event apart from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. This is seriously, a lot of items get price slashed. If you've watched my review on Switchboard, that smart switch, it is on 30% discount from today onwards. Do check it out. I will link everything in the description box below. Alright, I just want to do a shout out to JP, my buddy, who just started a YouTube channel called Technobabble. Check out his channel, check out his videos, give him some love and subscribe to his channel as well. Alright, that's it from me. I hope this video has been beneficial for you in telling you how to purchase on Amazon.com US. So I'll see you in my next video. Happy shopping, because that's what I'm gonna do now.